Yo, what is good, guys? I'm back. This is gonna be a long YouTube video today, cause in the couple days I really didn't have much time to do these trading videos, and honestly, I wouldn't even like to talk about how these couple like 2 weeks have been for me trading personally, because like I'm down 4 or 5% on my funded account. I don't even want to check. And yeah, I just lost, I would say, silly trades, all trades that I could have won, but I don't really want to like talk about the market in general right now because it's like kind of ass. But I think maybe there's something also wrong with me. I don't really want to rely on saying that it's only the market's fault, but well, let's go over the trades that I took during those weeks. And yeah, I didn't take a lot of them, but like they were pretty much all losses. Losses that could have been wins if the market treated me better, or maybe if I was, I don't know, a little bit more patient. So here's the trade that I took like last week, I believe, yeah, 14th of November. It was a sell on GU. We were bearish on every single time frame, as you can see, clear bearish momentum. So we had this huge spike up at the end of London session coming into New York. New York spikes up, takes out these Asian sessions high, and of course I scale down into the 5 minute, like my strategy. And from there, what I really wanted to see was just a 5 minute break of structure, just because we had this huge bearish momentum that I wanted to continue. And honestly, those like spikes up to the upside on the 5 minute, on the 15 minute, just looked too much for me. So I really wanted to see some bearish momentum straight away. And I waited for this 5 minute, and then I think I also, if I can remember correctly, I think I also scaled down into the 1 minute to find a fair value gap entry. And I entered off of the reaction on the fair value gap. I think it was this one right here. Like I entered probably like right here, something like that. And yeah, it was straight up and L, just market boom going opposite my direction. And then guess what? By the end of the day, first take profit gets hit. Next day, second take profit gets hit, and more. So that was as first trade again, loss. But we move over to the next one, because I'm not doing this video like pissed, but like kinda, because I'm pretty confident with my trading skills, and I have been recently, especially like the past 2 months, especially on indexes. And on GU, I wouldn't say GU has been moving really good, but still, I don't know, man. Like, I don't know, guys. It's kind of weird how many trades I've lost like in a row, and they have been tough losses to take. But I guess if it gets harder, then we're gonna have easier times in the future. Again, this trade, I took this 2 days ago, lost again. Same thing as this other trade that I took. Straight up, my strategy. We closed below these New York session lows right here. With this candle on the 30 minute, I waited for value gap tap, which we did get on the 5 minute, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was tap on this fair value gap 5 minute plus equilibrium, just because this 5 minute fair value gap got disrespected from this candle right here. and we hit equilibrium perfectly. Just wanted to wait for a break of structure. Boom, break of structure on the 5-minute. I enter. Price literally skyrockets towards my stop loss. We bounce up and down for a bit, and then price just decides to go into my direction and just plumb the shit out of that. So again, could have maybe avoided this loss, but like, I don't know. If I believe if market was like being in good conditions, we would have probably just at least seeked out and taken out this low before like having a retrace, because like we were in a downtrend, but it was like clear downtrend. Like, come on, guys. Like, lower lows, reaction, lower lows. But it is what it is. Now, let's move to the indexes, which probably we cannot even see because I took a trade such a long time ago. Yeah, this trade right here. This trade, 8th of November. That was almost a month ago. Just to show you guys how many things I had to do. We created a bearish SMT on the Nasdaq. We didn't sweep this 4-hour liquidity. After the elections, we just had a straight up boom to the upside. So I was waiting for like a day where market would have at least a retrace. We formed a big ass SMT on the 4-hour on the S&P. And if I scale down to the 1-minute, I don't know if we can see the entry. No, we cannot, but of course it's gonna be same entry as always. I waited for a retrace on the 5-minute, then we didn't get anything until 3, and then at 3 we got a 1-minute break of structure along with a 1-minute fair value gap, which was this one. You can see the tap in with this other candle. Boom, I entered, got stopped out like almost immediately, and boom, guys, that's just straight up losses. As soon as I enter, price just goes in the other direction. I get stopped out. I believe that was the only trade that I took on the S&P, yeah. And then on the Nasdaq again, I think another loss if I'm not mistaken, which if we see from here seems a win, but of course it's not. Of course it's not a win. And of course I get stopped out by like 2 pips just because I'm stupid, or I'm not stupid, or the market is stupid. But anyway, market opens, hourly liquidity, 4-hour liquidity. We sweep both. On the S&P we didn't. I think we only swept this, if I remember correctly. And yeah, man, we get a retrace on the 5-minute, bearish candle, up candle. This 1-minute fair value gap, probably my entry was right here. Stopped out right here. And then market just plums into my direction. Just literally straight up booms miles away from my initial TP. Oh crap, the camera. Then this just goes to fuck. Sorry. This just goes to show, like, I hate when this happens. Like, I hate taking losses that are so avoidable, or like the market could make me not lose, but it does, and it is what it is, I guess. And I've been really confident trading on the indexes. I feel like I know where price action goes every single day, but at the end I cannot like execute on it, and either I get too caught on the lower time frames, or I'm just straight up stupid, which I don't think so. But yeah, man, we just lost like what, 5 trades in a row. I'm down like 5%. And yeah, man, these were all the trades that I took during the month of November, which has been complete ass. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Now I can clean the charts finally and hope to take decent trades next week. Or I'll probably lose my funded account. So yeah, let's hope for the best. I'll stay confident. I know I'll stay confident. I'm just like pissed, you know. But I guess it's fine. Peace.